Welcome students, good morning. Myself Akshay Kumar Srivastav. This is my new video for class 7th and your chapter is chapter 6 HTML basics. Okay, and today's topic is creating and saving a basic HTML document and viewing the HTML document in a browser, modifying the HTML file. Okay, that is given on your book page number 83 and 84. So we start. We can use a basic text editor like Notepad to write HTML code. After writing the code, save the file with .html or .htm extension to create a HTML document. The steps to create and save a file in Notepad are given below. Click on Start and open the All Programs Accessories and Notepad. Then File New, open a new Notepad file and enable the word ref feature of Notepad and type and tag and text in the Notepad file so alongside and click File Save to open a Save As dialog box. In Save As dialog box, select a location, type a name for the file with the extension .html or .htm. Okay, and then click here and form the file type list all files. Okay, click the save button and that the file will be saved. This is the endangered animals, this is the HTML document file and this is a Notepad file. Okay, and the W3C, what is the W3C? World Wide Web Consortium is an organization that is responsible for creating and maintaining standards for displaying information on the World Wide Web using the HTML. Which type of information is displayed on the www World Wide Web? That is the managed and controlled by an organization, and the name of that organization is World Wide Web Consortium. Okay students, so it is very easy to create and save a basic HTML file. First you open a Notepad and then create a new file and new, and then type a contents on that. Okay, types the content on that, and then you have to save a file with the .html extension. Okay, so I will show you. I have already opened the Notepad. I have click here and then Notepad open. This is the HTML document. I have typed something for first line HTML head title. In this title I have written my first page, and then head, then body. Head is closed. Okay, here is a title tag is closed. This is the container tag, and there is a head tag is also closed. This is the container tag, and from here the body tag starts, and this is written, some line is written, and then body tag is closed, and then our HTML is also closed. Okay, so I have typed all that things, so I will save it. So you have to click and then save. Okay, and here where you want, then documents. Okay, whatever is that, and click here all files and then save one whatever you do. Page.html I have written, page.html. okay, where is that? In this libraries and document, this is the location. Okay, if you want to change the location, and then it is a page.html and all files. Okay, click on that, save. Okay students, that will the way how you can save a file. So that file will be saved. Now look here is the name is written page.html. okay, so that file will be saved. Now next step, viewing the HTML document in a browser. After creating and saving an HTML document, we would like to view it in a web browser. To know exactly how will it appear in the browser window, the steps to view an HTML document in a browser are as follows. First, go to the folder drive where you have saved the HTML file. Locate the file icon and double click on it. Third, the file will be displayed as a web page in the window of your default browser. So how will view a HTML document in a browser? So first you save a file. Okay, so then you have to open a folder or file in a drive where you saved. Okay, so how will open it? Now I will show you. First you open a browser. Look here, this is the browser. locate a file. Where is that file? So open the document where your file is saved. Open the document. This is the page.html already, and then locate the file and double click on it. The file will be displayed. Okay, look here. I have written this is my first web page of HTML. Full form of HTML is this is I have written on that. I will show you file. This is my file, where notepad file where I have typed this type of content. This is my first page of the HTML. Okay, and locate the file in the HTML document. How will you locate it? Go to the where is the file saved, you have to go, okay, and locate the file. How? I will show you again. You have to locate the file. Where is your file saved? My file saved is in libraries documents, and this is my file page.html, because in this Google Chrome icon is shown because Google Chrome is my default web browser. Double click on it and open. That file will open. Okay, now modifying the HTML document. While creating a web page, we need to frequently view the HTML document in the browser window and make changes to if the result are not as desired. The steps to modify an HTML file are as follows. If you have closed the notepad window, open it and again and click on the file open. Select the location where you save the HTML file. Click and select all files option from the file type drop down list. Select the required HTML file. Click on the open button. The file will open in the notepad window. Make the changes as desired and save the changes by clicking add file save. Okay, minimize the notepad window and open the modified HTML file in a web browser to check out the effect of changes on the web page. If you have not closed browser and the older version of HTML document is still being displayed, just click on the refresh button or press F5 key to see the changes. Tip: you should view your HTML document in the web browser every time you make changes to if it to check out whether the changes made by you have taken the desired effect or not. In this topic, students, if you want to change anything on that HTML document, then easily you have to open a file and make the changes whatever is needed, whatever you want, and save that file again. Okay, and if you want to check that effect, that changes will be affected on the web page or not, then you have to open that file again. Now I have opened already that file. I will show you again how you open a file. So you have to, where is file saved, you have to double click on that and file will be open. Okay, if you want to any changes, look here, and if you want to add any changes, my first web page language, it is very, I have written some line, it is small letter, it is very useful, I have written here some changes I made. Okay, it is very easy, and then you have to again save. Okay, and now look here, so this is only displayed, and this is the refresh. Look here, it is very useful, that line will be shown. Okay, so if changes is made, then you have to show the changes here. Okay, so that is the things where we can create and save a HTML document and view the HTML document in a web browser and modify the HTML files. Okay, students, that is okay for today. Thank you, have a nice day. And tomorrow is your, I think, class test of chapter 4, so prepare chapter 4. Okay.